with meteorologist Jeff Donovan.
Good afternoon. We are going to start things off with a look at a sunny Grants Pass from the Tap Rock Northwest Grill. You can see some of that sunshine overhead. Almost everybody in our region will be looking at sunshine today, although there will still be some noticeable haze and smoke overhead. If we take a look at temperatures with that sunshine shining down across southern Oregon and northern California, we're really seeing things warm up already into the low 80s in our west side valleys, upper 80s approaching 90 degrees in Siskiyou County, and then east of the Cascades, we're taking a look at temperatures in the low 80s this midday. The one place that is staying cool, the coast, Brookings only at 55 degrees. It is the coast where we are still dealing with some clouds right now, but those will erode as we go further into the afternoon. In terms of your air quality, breathing pretty nice and easy across southern Oregon and northern California. The one exception is through Siskiyou County, where we are still looking at moderate air quality. Of course, air quality will continue to fluctuate throughout the day, and we will continue to have you covered at 4, 5, and 6 with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman. Now, this afternoon along the Oregon coastline, expect temperatures to rise into the 60s, 67 degrees in Brookings, 68 degrees today in Gold Beach. Again, looking at some of those clouds this morning and your early afternoon eroding as we go into the later afternoon hours. Be aware, wind's going to be pretty breezy though out of the north, gusting all the way to 30 miles per hour. In Siskiyou County, temperatures today in the mid-90s to low 100s, 100 degrees this afternoon in Wairika with 95 degrees at Mount Shasta City. Mostly sunny skies, although plenty of haze and smoke still in the sky. Now, we are also going to be looking at some pretty breezy winds through Siskiyou County today, especially eastern Siskiyou County. As we go east of the Cascades, we are also going to be looking at some pretty gusty winds through Klamath and Lake counties, gusting all the way to 25 miles an hour. Mostly sunny skies with haze and smoke overhead, and temperatures will be in the 90s, 93 degrees today in Lakeview with 96 degrees in Blythe. Through our mountains, 85 degrees today at Lake of the Woods, but then mid-90s through Prospect and Butte Falls. Continuing to see those mostly sunny skies overhead with just some pockets of haze and smoke. And in our west side valleys, 100 degrees today in Medford, 99 degrees in Rogue River with 98 degrees in Grants Pass. A very sunny day, a very hot day, and then we will see some of that high haze overhead. Now, east of the Cascades through Klamath and Lake counties, we are still under an air quality alert until 5 o'clock this afternoon for accumulating pollutants. That's why we will continue to track your air quality very closely. And if you have anything to do outdoors today, make sure to maybe take it a little easier, especially if you suffer from any respiratory illnesses. We're also holding on to heat advisories in our region through Jackson County as well as central and western Siskiyou County. This heat advisory goes until 11 p.m. tomorrow night because we are going to continue to see temperatures in the 90s and 100s. We do have critical fire danger concerns in our region today. A red flag warning exists in eastern Siskiyou and Modoc counties from 2 o'clock this afternoon until 8 p.m. tonight, because we could be looking at wind gusts all the way to 35 miles per hour. And then tomorrow, we are also going to be seeing some dry, hot, and breezy conditions. That's why a fire weather watch has been issued. Now, that fire weather watch does also include Klamath and Lake counties. Tomorrow, that's also from 2 p.m. in the afternoon till 8 o'clock in the evening. So for the next 7 days, we are going to be looking at mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies along the coastline, temperatures staying in the 60s. And then as we go into northern California, you can expect mostly sunny skies, very hot temperatures for the next 7 days, highs in the mid-90s to low 100s. As we go east of the Cascades, a very hot stretch of weather for our friends in Klamath and Lake counties. Wednesday and Thursday, maybe a small cool down if you want to call it that, only into the low 90s, but then we rocket right back up into the upper 90s, maybe even low 100s by the end of next weekend. Through our mountains, temperatures will be in the 80s, primarily through the forecast period, maybe low 90s towards the end of the next 7 days. And in our west side valleys, temperatures staying in the mid-90s to low 100s throughout the entire forecast. Wednesday and Thursday, maybe a smidge cooler, but really not too noticeable, staying pretty hot.